And today we're fixing on a KX125 right there. Today we're working on the exhaust because as you can see, that's a little just like not in there. But I'm gonna be tightening all this up, hopefully. And what other better person to do it than my friend, Janner. So Janner, think you can help me fix his bike?
I'll do what I can.
Yeah, that's the spirit. Okay, so what we're gonna actually need is we're gonna need you to hold a bolt on the other side because this is sort of like makeshift what we're doing.
Yep, yeah, I got it.
Hey, Janner, could you go grab me a washer? I need one for the exhaust.
I got it.
Oh, thank you. All right, so what we're doing is grabbing this bolt, putting it through there, hooking it there, so this will stop falling down. Just like that, but it needs a washer. That's where the nut comes in handy. Janner!
What? You want me to hold it still? Okay, hold it. Oh.
Is it any quieter? Let's find out. Also, guys, another problem that I noticed with this thing is the fuel ratio. Way too much blue smoke blowing out of here. I'm gonna use my hand. But yes, I would say she's a bit quieter than she was. And that exhaust looked kind of sick because the FMF. And anyway, subscribe for that. This is a before clip. And this is an after.